Hello. Hi. Where's Vivian Duke? Are you alone?
Hello, chị chào
Hello.
bạn.
Wow. Hi. Hello, Vivian. I really missed you. I missed you, Vivian.
I miss you, Sarah.
Oh, did you miss teacher? Did you
Yes,
miss
I
teacher
miss
too?
teacher.
Oh, I really, really missed you too. I'm going to translate. Hold on. Wait a sec. Okay, here.
Yeah. Teacher,
Yes,
teacher,
yes.
look.
Ah, what is that? A flower?
Yes,
It's a plant. It's a plant. Honey, Vivian.
Vivian thân mến,
that,
kỳ nghỉ của bạn có vui không?
that
Yeah.
is so happy.
Oh, you say, I am so happy. Can you say that?
I am so happy.
Very good. Did you miss your cousin Duke?
Bạn có
Yes.
nhớ người anh họ của mình, công tước không?
No.
Vivian, cháu có nhớ anh họ Đức không?
Did you miss him?
Yes, I miss him.
No. How cute.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
No.
Welcome back. What's
Yes,
that?
chocolate.
Wow. I think it's Ferrero Rocher. Oh no, it's not. Wow, that's so yummy. I want to eat chocolate too. I also want to eat the chocolate. Oh,
Nước làm vàng không?
I am hungry now.
Oh, go.
Okay. Yes.
Ruby Diamond.
Okay. All right. I'm going to tell. Look, since we finished 2 lessons without Vivian, can we start from the first lesson so that she can catch up?
Đức, vì chúng ta
Yes.
đã học xong 2 bài mà không có Vivian, liệu chúng ta có thể bắt đầu từ bài đầu tiên để cô ấy theo kịp không?
Okay?
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Let's see Ruby and Diamond. He loved
The game.
Ruby. He loved Ruby and Diamond.
Really? How about you, Duke? What do you like? What do you like?
Ruby.
Ruby. Why do you like the ruby? Why do you like the ruby? Why? Okay. Duck. Why do you love the ruby? Why do you love the ruby?
Ruby
Why?
is rich.
Hmm?
Love Ruby không? No.
Because
Vivian
it's
not
because it's nice. Duck.
love. Vivian
Yeah.
love you.
Vivian likes the ruby too. Okay.
First, Vivian.
Mhm.
What do you like, Ruby?
What? Huh? Me, I like gold. I like gold. I really, really like the gold.
Because
Anyway, because it's very expensive. Yeah, it is very expensive. It's not cheap. I can have a
gold.
lot of money if I have a lot of gold like that, but that's not a real gold. Okay, anyway, teacher is now going to share the screen. Vivian and
Listen to.
not yet lesson 2, lesson 1 for Vivian. Let's start for lesson 1 for Vivian, okay? And look, you just listen
That.
and participate too. You listen and then participate, Duke, okay? And you also answer. Okay? Okay?
That.
Yes. Yes, teacher.
That teacher.
Okay, thank you. Did you anyway, guys, did you go to school today?
That I went to school. That went to school. Teacher.
Oh. Yes.
It sit but they must hurt me not let go to school. Not today, teacher. It today is first day my school at morning going to school. Afternoon going to school.
Huh? You went to school in the morning and then in the afternoon too, you also went to school?
First day. First day.
For the first day. Okay. It's the first.
Lucia. My school put me first day
Ah.
not going to school.
Yeah, the first day of the year. You didn't go to school, right? Yeah?
That.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, honey, teacher is now going to share the screen and we're now going to have this lesson. Vivian, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I'm
Very good. Okay, so we have here this one, honey. Doc, Doc, Doc. Okay, Doc. You just quiet, okay? Stay quiet. Let's have Vivian. Vivian, what is this?
This I quiet.
Yeah. Vivian, what is the man doing, Vivian? What is the man doing?
Running.
You know this. Do you know this already? Okay, again, the man is?
The man is.
What is that? Again,
the is running.
Very good. The man is running. Okay.
Run.
How about you, Vivian? Can you run?
Yes, I can run.
Very good. Do you run fast or slow?
I run fast.
Okay, Vivian, where do you run? Where do you run?
I run.
Where?
In the school.
Okay. What is that?
Teacher.
Wow.
Wow.
Vivian came in first. It's Vivian who came in first. Vivian is the first. Okay. So again, what is the man doing, honey? What is the man?
Run.
Very good. Again, one more time. The man is running.
The man is running.
Yeah.
That is dynamite yellow. Jelly.
What's that? A mango. A mango, honey. Yeah, that's very. Oh no. Oh no, it spilled to the laptop's keyboard. It spilled. Oh my goodness.
No, it's walking.
Okay, what is this? What is the man doing?
The man is walking.
Very good, honey. Walk.
Walking,
Walking.
walking,
Walking. Walk, walk, walk.
walking.
Running, 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 running. Okay, again, one more time, honey. The man is walking.
The man is walking.
Very good. We call it walking, honey, okay? That is walking.
So, there is a bag. We are going to
What is that?
the bag. We
Whose
will
bag
come
is it?
home.
Ah, okay. The bag that Vivian brought. What is that, Vivian? Okay. Anyway, honey, Vivian. Vivian, can you walk?
Yes, I can walk.
Very good. Do you walk to school, Vivian?
Yes, I walk to school.
Very good. Great job, honey. Okay. Now, where are the... Okay, I'm going to translate this.
Look, my cousin eats so many chocolate.
Oh,
Have to.
no. Oh, do you brush your teeth after eating chocolate? Do you brush your teeth, Vivian? After eating
Brush my teeth. But my
After
cousin eats so many chocolate, it not brush the teeth.
Oh no! She brushes her teeth? How about you, Duke? Do you brush your teeth too, Duke?
Yes, but my cousin eats so many chocolates.
Ah, okay. Do you eat many chocolate, Duke?
No,
Okay.
I eat one. We went two. But my sister eats nom 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 nom.
Your sister eats a lot? Okay. Okay, I have a question. Where is the other place where you walk? Oh, here, wait. Walking.
Ngoài ra, bạn còn đi bộ ở đâu nữa?
In my house. Okay, my neighborhood.
Very good, Vivian. Yes, very good. You walk in your neighborhood. Yeah, great job. You too, Duke. Yeah, Duke. Okay, that's great to hear.
But I'm walking so many. I riding the bike too. We were
You ride the bike too. Wow, you also ride a bike. That's great to hear. Okay. Anyway, honey. I don't know how to ride a bike. Teacher doesn't know how to ride a bike.
I eat grass.
Whose foot is that? Whose foot is that? Really? Is it really Duke's foot, Vivian? Okay. Let's have the next one. Okay, Vivian, what is this?
Small chair.
So Vivian has a small feet. Duke?
Yes, Vivian. I don't have a small feet.
How about you, Doc? Do you have a big feet or big foot?
Yes.
Okay,
Vivian
okay.
said I don't you eat chocolates.
Vivian doesn't want to eat chocolate. She doesn't want to. Vivian, do you want to eat
Yes.
chocolate?
Vivian help me.
Vivian, do you want to eat, Vivian? Okay. Anyway, what is this one, Vivian? What do you think are the dogs doing?
Vivian
What are the
hit
dogs?
me.
What?
Vivian hit me.
Oh no! Hello? Okay.
Yeah.
What is that? That's
Teacher.
a helmet.
Look.
What's that?
Who put chocolate into fire and was this?
What is that?
Who put this chocolate into fire and was this?
You put the chocolate to the fire.
No, not me.
What? Who? Who did it?
I don't know.
Oh no! Who did it? Who put the How about Vivian? Did Vivian do it?
No, I don't do
No.
it.
How about
The
Kian?
last time it's dinner, I don't into the house. Vivian.
Oh no! Vivian! She said it's you, Vivian.
No, Kian.
Kian. Okay, anyway, Vivian, what is this?
Khóc trả lời kìa.
What is this one? This is Clyde.
Ai bước vào phòng cô này? Teacher.
Yeah.
Who that
What?
into the room?
Huh?
Who that into the room?
It's us. You and me.
Into the room, teacher.
No?
Into the teacher room.
No.
Right here and right in.
Someone entered a while ago?
Daddy and children.
No.
Tôi lừa.
No.
Are you kidding me?
No.
I can't see it my own.
No, there's no other people here. It's just me. Oh my goodness. Would it be a ghost?
No.
Is it a
Are
monster?
you kidding me?
No, there's no other person here. It's just me. It's just teacher.
Anh đứa rồi này cái chành một thằng sinh tinh.
Here? Okay, Vivian, what is this?
Kidding me?
No, I'm not. What is this, Vivian? This one is
Climb.
climb. Teacher is climbing. Teacher is
No.
climbing.
Teacher, Vivian Golan.
You say, look, you say, Vivian is climbing. Okay, anyway, Vivian, what are the dogs doing, my dear? Look at the dogs. What are the dogs doing? Take a look. The dogs are, it's two dogs. Again?
Teacher, look, teacher.
Yes.
In
Oh, it's a small gun. Okay, honey, Vivian, you say the dogs are climbing. Can you say that?
climbing.
Yes, the dogs are climbing, my dear. Okay. How about you, Vivian? Do you know how to climb?
Em ngồi đây.
Vivian, my dear, do you know
Yes.
how to climb? Do you know
Yes.
how to climb? Yeah. Yes. Can you climb a tree?
Không, tao có trả cây.
Can you
Climb.
climb a tree?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Okay. All right. Anyway, honey, let's have the next. Oh, again. The dogs are
The dog are climbing.
Ming.
The dog are climbing.
Very good, Vivian. That is it. Okay. Anyway, let's have the next one. Let's move forward to the next
hop,
one. What is this?
It is hop.
Hop.
The
Very
man
good.
hop.
Hop. ing, honey, ing. Hopping. One more time. The.
Ping.
Okay, again, one more time. The man is hopping. Can you say that?
The man is hopping.
Very good. The man is hopping, honey. That is it. How about you, Vivian? Do you know how to hop? Hop, hop?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. You say, yes, I can hop.
Yes, I can hop.
Very good. Great job, honey. Next one. Let's move forward to the next one. Okay. Here.
Walking now.
What is that? Water? Do you put water there?
No.
Oh, no. Eh. Okay. Vivian, what is this? My dear Vivian, what is the girl doing? What is the girl doing, honey? Look. Take a look.
The girl is
The girl is
jumping.
very good. The girl is jumping.
Jump.
Very good, honey. Great job. Okay. You are. Okay. Do you put water there?
No.
What is that? Okay, anyway, honey, let's have the next one. Vivian, what is this? What is the man do? What is the dog doing?
The dog. The dog is skipping.
Very good. The dog is skipping. How about Vivian? Does Vivian know how to skip? Skipping?
Yes,
Annie.
I
Wow, you know how to do skipping. That's great to hear. Do you have a jump rope, Vivian? Do you have a jumping rope?
No, I don't have I don't have a
Jumping rope.
jumping room.
Very good.
But
But you have, what do you have?
Vivian, wait for relax.
Okay.
Say
Okay. Key.
I brought my neighbor.
Ah, you borrow, honey. It's borrow. I
Look,
borrow.
Your father.
Yeah, it's a small gun. Okay, honey, you say, I borrow from my neighbor. Can you say that, Vivian?
Yes.
I borrow. Is it a paper? Is it a paper duck?
Yes.
Honey, Vivian. Doc and Vivian, you say borrow. Doc, Vivian, you say
Borrow.
very good. What's that? Oh, it's from the chocolate, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Skip.
Let's have the next one.
Are
All
you
right,
see
let's.
I want the mom with this?
Yes. Okay, can you do it again? Teacher wants to see.
Okay. Cái gì? Biết. Yes, I can.
Okay, very good, Vivian. What can you do? You're just going to have the cannot or can't. You say, can you read this word, Vivian? Cannot
Cannot.
or cannot. Thing that you cannot do. Cannot. Okay, or
Không thể,
không thể. Cannot. Okay? Or you can also say, Vivian, can you read this? You can also say, what is this one? Can't. Can't. Very good. This word is can't. Let's have. Okay. Please read the example, Vivian.
That.
Okay, here.
Look, Sarah. This. Listen.
No.
can run.
I can run. How about this? The can't. I can't.
I can run.
Very good. I can't run. Okay. Let's have this one, honey. Let's have Vivian. Vivian.
Vivian go into toilet.
Okay. I will get some water too, okay? I will get some water too. Wait for me.
Ăn gì ạ? Hôm em không ăn thịt sữa đó.
Hello, guys.
I got some cookie.
What's
Cookie too.
What is that?
Cookie.
A cookie. Whoa, who eats that? Who eats that?
It's duck.
Okay, now you have to odd one out. Vivian, you have to encircle
Làm một mình em không?
odd one
Học tìm cái là khác nhau.
here.
bạn phải bao quanh cái khác biệt hoặc cái khác thường đó.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, now you start. You encircle. Honey, the different one. The different one. Duck, you help. You help her, Duck.
Teacher, my cousin got one chocolate too.
Your cousin?
Anh Đức cái nào anh Đức?
Here.
Bạn phải khoanh tròn phần tử khác biệt hoặc phần tử không thuộc nhóm.
Okay, yes. That is it. Very good, honey. Great. Number 2. Which one doesn't belong to the group for number 2? Number 2.
Chấm bác. Hen. Anh Đức hộ fly ở cái. Chấm. Anh Đức fly phải không anh Đức? Cái này hả? Cái nào? Cái nào?
Read.
Hả?
Đọc.
Cái nào? Biết đâu ra mà đọc.
Đọc đi.
Fly.
No.
You sure? You sure?
Trong
It's
mới phải là
hand.
nó không bay được.
You encircle the word that isn't an action.
Biết rồi, biết rồi. Dog.
Bạn khoanh tròn từ không phải là và hành động.
Ah, no, 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 no.
Bạn khoanh tròn từ không phải là hành động.
Yeah. Dog. Number 3 is dog.
Yes.
Tiếp tiếp.
Yes. 4.
And the dog. B.
What? 4.
Ờ,
Oh no. What is that?
Sửa đọc.
Okay,
What?
very good.
Eraser.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh.
Bên đây. Đuổi đây, đuổi đây, đuổi đây.
Very good. It's the mouth. Okay, let's have number 5. What's for number 5?
Robot.
Okay.
Robot.
Okay, it's a robot. All right, let's see. Very good. All your answers are correct. Great job. Okay, now let's have this one, honey. You read and tick. You read and tick. What's for number 1? It shows skip. Which picture?
It's skipping.
Which one? Put a tick.
Oh. Oh. Cái này nè.
Hả?
Không quen mua máy tính hả?
Yes. Okay, very good. Next one, number 2. Please read number 2, Vivian. Can you read number 2? Number 2 is?
Teacher.
Yes.
Look. See her.
Is it a cookie or a bread? Okay. Climb. Which one is climb, Vivian?
A clam.
Where is the climb? Where is the climb? Climb,
Is
climb,
it?
climb, climb. Ah, you sure?
No.
Climb, climb, climb.
Hả?
Yeah?
Yes, okay. Việt Nam said. Quanh, quanh, quanh. It. What?
It's okay. It's fine. So the answer is, where's the climb? Yeah, that one is the climb. Number 3, it's jump. Jump.
Ai cô?
Honey, this is the jump.
Oh no.
No. It's jump.
Yeah, that one is the jump. This one is, okay, let's have the hop. Where is the hop, honey? Hop, hop, hop.
Yeah.
Where is, yes, very good. Okay, again, one more time. Let's read number 1. What's for number 1, Vivian? Number 1. Skip. 2.
Ngu.
2. 2 is?
Clam.
Honey, climb, not climb. Climb. Climb.
Clam.
Yes, let's have number 3. Let's have number 3. What's for number 3?
A jump.
Jump. 4.
Hop.
Hop. Great job. Okay. Now you have to look and then encircle. Encircle the correct answer. Encircle the correct answer, Vivian.
Ủa, tao học mà. Teacher.
Hop.
Yes. Let's see.
Yeah.
Very good too.
Teacher,
Yes.
Vivian said, "Want me not in class?" I said, "Teacher
What?
put you in the class."
Huh? Again, do.
Vivian said, "Look, are you in the class?" No, I said no. I put, teacher said you in the class, but you, but
Class.
Okay, let's have number.
but they're not going to school.
Really? Okay, number 3, honey, is walk. Your answer is correct. And number 4, it's climb. It is also correct. Honey, is it raining there? Is it raining?
No.
No.
My
Is it
father but I with the friend.
Ah, is it windy?
Dad, it's windy.
Ah, yeah, because yeah, it's so cold. It is so cold. Also here, honey, it is very cold. I think it's going to rain.
And you?
It's windy too. And it's so dark here. It's already nighttime, evening time. So windy. Okay, let's have this one, honey. What?
But not. Hey! No.
Okay, for this one, honey, you're going to put can or can't. Can you hop? You say, I can hop. Okay, that is right, Vivian. Great job, my dear Vivian. That's correct.
Teacher,
Hmm.
my sky here is white and
Hmm.
black. First,
Hmm.
you.
Really? Okay, now let's read, Vivian. Let's start with number 1. I can.
I can.
2.
Teacher,
I can.
yes.
What is that again, though? That's a stick. Okay, 3, Vivian.
I can. I can.
Hit.
I can. Good.
Sings.
4. Oh my goodness, guys, the time is already over. We just have seconds left.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.